19. Packing for Mars. When the Curiosity rover landed on Mars, the event had people once again asking, will man ever step foot on Mars? This exciting idea is explored in Mary Roach's popular book, Packing for Mars, The Curious Science of Life in the Void. Long before Curiosity, scientists were studying ways to help man survive in space. Roach discusses experiments conducted to learn how the human body would react to zero gravity. These tests included spinning astronauts around until they vomited, and then trying to prevent this reaction. That's a big goal because zero gravity often causes terrible motion sickness in astronauts. Another effect of zero gravity is a loss of bone mass. Researchers say that a 2-year mission to Mars would cause an astronaut to lose up to half of his bone mass. Back in Earth's gravity, this astronaut could break a leg just by standing up. Lying in bed all day causes similar bone loss, so in some studies, people were paid $17,000 to lie in bed for 3 months. During these months, researchers tried out bone loss prevention methods that may one day be used by astronauts headed to Mars. Roach also writes about space toilets. While modern space station toilets allow a person to sit down, earlier forms were not so comfortable. In fact, they were nothing more than bags, and the lack of gravity made this simple, natural bodily function a challenge. While surviving in space is possible and now a little more comfortable, packing for Mars makes it clear that a trip to Mars would be no picnic. At a cost of $500 billion, it wouldn't be cheap either. However, looking up at the stars and wondering how to live out there makes many people still want to try.